Fiji is a paradise that feels like a dream come to life. Picture this: over 300 islands, each with its own unique charm, surrounded by crystal clear turquoise waters. The moment you step off the plane, you're greeted by the warm smiles of the locals, known for their hospitality. It's not just a vacation, it's an experience that stays with you long after you leave. One of the main reasons to visit Fiji is the stunning natural beauty. The coral reefs here are some of the most vibrant in the world, making it a top destination for snorkeling and diving. You can swim alongside colorful fish, explore underwater caves, and even encounter majestic manta rays. If you're lucky, you might spot a sea turtle gliding gracefully through the water. The marine life is simply breathtaking. Then there's the lush landscape. Fiji is home to some of the most beautiful beaches you'll ever see, like the famous Whitehaven Beach on the island of Whitsunday. The powdery white sand and swaying palm trees create a postcard-perfect setting. But don't just stick to the beaches. Venture inland to discover cascading waterfalls and dense rainforests. Hiking through these jungles is an adventure in itself, with opportunities to see exotic birds and unique plant species. Cultural experiences in Fiji are equally captivating. The Fijian culture is rich and vibrant, with traditions that date back centuries. You can participate in a kava ceremony, where you'll sip on a traditional drink made from the kava root. It's a unique way to connect with the locals and learn about their customs. And don't miss the chance to attend a meek dance performance, where you'll witness storytelling through dance and music. It's a celebration of life that's infectious and joyful. Food lovers will also find a lot to savor in Fiji. The cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors, influenced by Indian, Chinese, and traditional Fijian cooking. Fresh seafood is abundant, and you can enjoy dishes like kokoda, a refreshing ceviche made with marinated fish, coconut milk, and lime. Street food is also a must-try, with options like roti and curry that are bursting with flavor. For those seeking relaxation, Fiji offers some of the best resorts in the world. Imagine lounging in a hammock with a cocktail in hand, listening to the gentle waves lapping at the shore. Many resorts offer spa treatments that incorporate local ingredients, providing a truly rejuvenating experience. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway or a family vacation, there's something for everyone. Adventure seekers won't be disappointed either. From zip-lining through the treetops to kayaking in hidden lagoons, there's no shortage of activities to get your adrenaline pumping. You can even take a boat trip to explore the nearby islands, each with its own unique vibe and attractions. In summary, visiting Fiji is about immersing yourself in a world of beauty, culture, and adventure. It's a place where you can unwind, explore, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're seeking relaxation on a beach, thrilling adventures, or a deep dive into a rich culture, Fiji has it all. It's not just a destination, it's a journey into paradise.